Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the Xinput1 underscore 3 DLL is missing from your computer Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with downloading the DirectX end user web installer in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. And to download that, please open any browser that you have there. So I'll just go with my Google Chrome browser, and then in the search tab there you can type this DirectX and dash or hyphen user runtime web installer. And then once you have visited this site, or once you're already in here, please make sure that you will click on the Microsoft site and then just click on the select language option. Please go click on this drop down button there and then click on the English option or any language that you want or you understand, and then click on this download button. So I have already downloaded it, and then once it is already downloaded, it will appear here. So once you click on that and then click on this folder, you will be brought to the location of the downloaded software or application. Now, all you need to do is just to install this one, and to install it, just simply double click on that and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes, and then we will get this small window here installing Microsoft. So please go click on this I accept agreement and then click on next, and then click on next again. And this software lets you download all DLL files for you and will automatically fix the issue. So once you're done with this one, just click on next, and it is now downloading the components. So I'll just leave this I'll just leave this one, and we will proceed with the Xinput. So we will be going again to the browser that we have, add another tab, and then here in the search tab you will type this Xinput1 underscore 3.dll, and then you will get this search results here. All you need to do is just to click on this first search result, which is dllfiles.com. So please click on that to free download, and then you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to scroll down, and this time we will be downloading the latest version. Okay, so look for the latest version there, and then click on this download button, and then it will be downloaded in your device. So I'll just quickly click on that. Okay, so it has been already downloaded, and let us open now the downloaded directory, and it appears here. So please just make a right click and then click on the extract all, and then click on the destination or select the destination and extract the files. So click on extract, and then once you do that, you will get this two files here. So all you need to do is just to copy the Xinput file. Just select it and then click on, make a right click and then click on this copy button here. And then once you do that, we will go now to the local disk C, this one here in the left pane. And then we will go with Windows, this one, Windows file, go look for System 32. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to make a right click and then click on this paste button here. And then the Xinput file will be pasted in here. And then after the pasting process, just make a quick restart with your device and you won't be facing the same problem again. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.